One last quick comment about 4.3 day 1. There are going to be some problems in the assignment, specifically numbers 13 to 16, where they're going to have some interesting notation here. We're going to be using in those problems interval notation. So as an example, they might show you something like this in interval notation, 0, comma, pi. Now, upon first glance, you would probably look at that and say, oh, well, that's just x and y. But we're not going to have any points in our trigonometry. We're not going to have that where pi is actually a point. Pi is going to be an angle. So here's what this means instead. This is interval notation. It's saying starting at 0 and going all the way to pi. If you want to interpret this in terms of a picture, here's 0, and pi is halfway around the circle, so right over here is going to be pi. So when it says 0 to pi, that means everything including and in between those two quadrants. So that's talking about every angle in either quadrant 1 or quadrant 2. So please keep that in mind on those problems, that those are not talking about XY points. Those are talking about quadrants or angles that are going to be included in what you do with problems 13 to 16.